minus 1 by x log x square.
log x d square.
See, now you write your answer and please check with me. Now 1 upon log x, can we write log x to the power minus 1? Can we write?
Yes.
Okay, so we have log 2 to the base e. So now this here only we'll write log x to the base e raised to minus 1. So treat this as a fx raised to n into fx raised to n minus 1 log x to the base e raised to n minus 1 into derivative of fx d by dx of log x to the base e. Getting now? Is it visible? Please tell me, I will write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will be the next step then? This minus sign, minus log 2 to the base e, log x to the base e raised to minus 2 means minus 2, 1 upon log square we can write. So this will be 1 upon log x to the base e its square. And what is the derivative of log x now? Now only tell me 1 by x. Okay, so here we'll multiply now with derivative of log x. That is 1 upon x. See what is the derivative now? Minus log 2 to the base e upon log x square into 1 by x. Now one more method is there. Yes. See, we know derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here instead of x, log x is there. 1 upon log x is there. So its derivative will be 1 upon log x derivative will be minus 1 upon log x square into derivative of log x. Getting? Yes or no? This method
Yes.
also you can use. Means
Ma'am.
till this step, what we have done here, log 2 to the base x, we have separated. So now log 2 to the base e was constant. Now here d by dx of 1 by log x. So 1 upon x, you can treat this as 1 upon x. So it will be, its derivative will be minus 1 upon x square. So instead of x, log x we will write. So minus 1 upon log x square minus 1 upon log x square into derivative of log x, that is 1 by x. Now if you have written formulas of differentiation, if you are having your diary, in that you can add this form that derivative of log x is 1 by x, but derivative of 1 by log x is minus 1 upon x into log x to the base e its square. You can add it. Getting? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
I think you have tried if the function's derivative, if it is given and if reciprocal is there, you are writing the reciprocal of the derivative. It is not like that. Solve it properly.
Ma'am, doubt.
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
मैम वो जो log x था उसको अपन ऊपर ले गए तो उसकी पावर -1 हो गई.
हाँ.
मैम फिर लॉगरिथमिक रूल के हिसाब से पावर आगे लाएंगे और 2 को अलग -1 को अलग कर देंगे और d by dx of log x
ऐसे कैसे?
1 by x.
फिर से बोलो. नवनीत धीरे धीरे बता. क्या बोल रहा?
यस मैम. मैम log x को कोई भी पावर रहती है तो वो हम लॉगरिथमिक इसके हिसाब से आगे ले लेते हैं उसे. और मैम फिर वो
इन जनरल पूछ लो क्या? इन जनरल पूछ रहे हो? हाँ, तो 1 upon log x की कोई भी पावर होगी ना तो उसको हम साइड में मतलब will multiply it and will subtract 1 from the power. Okay? But if the log is in the denominator, the power will be negative. Getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If the question, in the questions they will give the numbers only. In general, means rarely they are asking, but you should know when the numbers are given, you apply their x to the x raised to n form. It is applicable to so many questions. Here also we have used the same form. Yes, n minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So no doubt in this question now. Yes. Suraj, Shiva, Ajinkya, Abhishek,
Out, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am. Clear.
Abhijit
Clear,
Chandra,
ma'am.
Here, ma'am.
Utkarsh,
ma'am.
Utkarsh.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So 15 question. So 15th question. Sec of log x raised to n. D by dx of sec of, yes, sec of log x to the power n. What is the derivative of sec function? Yes, Abhijit Chapter, please tell me. Now
And sec x tan x.
sec x tan x. Okay. So sec of log of x to the power n. What is the derivative for this? Don't tell me the derivative of log x to the power n. Just tell me sec of log of x to the power n. Abhijit. Yes, Shivaji Rao, you want to tell? चलो बताओ जल्दी. Sec x tan x is the correct. But what is the derivative of sec of log x to the power n? Yes, boys.
मैम sec x tan x log n log x raised to power n minus 1.
Sec x tan x कैसे होगा? वहां पे sec x का
log of x.
डेरिवेटिव, हाँ, sec x of log of x to the power n है. Instead of x, you have to take log x to the power n. That's why I have taken this question. चलो बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. जिसको आ रहा है वो बताओ ना. Yes, Shiva.
Ma'am, sec.
Please repeat the question, ma'am. It's kind of.
Ma'am, sec of log x raised to n tan log of x raised to n.
Yes. Into.
ह्याच्यात log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह नाही निघणार का स्पेशल? आधी log x चा काढायचा मग sec x चा काढायचा मग चेन रूल
उसके बाद
लावायचा.
नाही तसं नाही करायचं. हे बघ अजिंक्य, जेव्हा सगळ्यात पहिले तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन येतो ना, सगळ्यात आउटर कोणतं फंक्शन आहे तिकडनं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत जातो आपण. मी पहिलेच बोलले होते बघा, सेक म्हणजे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, मग लॉग आणि मग एक्स रेस टू एन चा फॉर्म वापरला जाईल इथे. बरोबर, लॉग एक्स तुम्ही तसं पण करू शकता, पण मग इथे चुकणार नाही तुम्ही जर एक एक काढत गेले तर. तुम्हाला वाटलं तर लॉग एक्स टू द पॉवर एन चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मल्टिप्लाय करू शकतात, पण मग पुढे एखाद्या वेळेस तुम्ही परत पण ती टर्म घेऊ शकता, म्हणून ती अगोदरच नाही लिहून ठेवायची. हे बघा, सेक इंटू टॅन झालं सेकचा फॉर्म. नंतर हवं तर त्या स्टेप मध्ये डेरिव्हेटिव्ह नाही लिहायचा ना, तर मल्टिप्लाइड विथ डी बाय डीएक्स. And now this two terms sec log x to the power n. Now what is the derivative? Am I audible and visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the derivative?
N into log x raised to n minus 1.
N into
n by x येईल ना.
काय
n
केलं
कॉन्स्टंट निघेल. d by dx n log x. n कॉन्स्टंट निघेल बाहेर. log x चा 1 by x येईल. n by x आन्सर.
सी अजिंक्य, जरी त्यांनी n काढला नाही ना बाहेर, तरी पण ते सिम्प्लिफाय केल्यावर तेच येणार. मी दोन्ही पण सॉल्व्ह करून दाखवते. So n into d by dx of log x. So it is equals to n upon x. And is there x raised to n? If you are keeping x raised to n as it is, so what will be there? Log of function, its derivative is 1 upon function, 1 upon x raised to n into derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Now this n here, can we write this n as a this n we can write x into x raised to n minus 1. Can we write this? Can we write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this will be cancelled. Equal to n by x. If आता कसं असतं माहितीये का, तुमच्या डोक्यात सगळे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फॉर्म्युले असतात. मग तुम्हाला एवढं दिसतं की लॉग आहे आणि x टू पॉवर n पण आहे. मग तुम्हाला तेही फॉर्म्युले यूज करायचे. तर तुम्ही तसं केलं तरी चालेल आणि लॉगचा रूल पण वापरला तरी चालेल की लॉग ऑफ व्हेरिएबल रेस टू जर पॉवर असेल तर ती आपण साइडला घेऊ शकतो. ठीक आहे? एनी डाउट इन दिस?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now here, so derivative of log and so here n upon x into sec of log of x raised to n into tan of log of x raised to n. Getting? So this is the derivative of sec of log of x to the power n. Any doubt in this? Any
No, ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, 16th question. Log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Log 16th question. D by dx. So log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. आता कसं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आता आपण इंटिग्रेशन नंतर बघणार आहेत. In derivative, if you are solving by two methods, at the last your answer will come same. But in the integration, when you will use separate methods, your expression will be we can say different expression you will get, but answer will not correct. Answer will be correct in that case because in the indefinite integral we are adding one constant. So for that constant we can give the value and we can adjust the expressions. We'll see now in the integration, but in the derivative, any method you will use, you will get the same answer for that. Okay. So what is the derivative of log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2? Just a minute.
5 by 4 plus x by 2.
Abhishek is there? Abhishek, Jose, Aditya Daude. Okay, tell me. Log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2.
Cot of 5 by 4 plus x by 2.
What of pi by 4 plus x by 2 into
चेन रूल कुठे लावायचा? चेन रूल मध्ये काय ऍड करायचं याच्यात?
it is, please speak loudly.
चेन रूल मध्ये काय करायचं आता पुढे?
चेन रूल मध्ये अरे हे बघ, तुम्हाला हे फंक्शन tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 याला तुम्ही y कन्सिडर करा ना. कसं घेऊन सॉल्व करून दाखवू का? इथे तुम्ही जे आन्सर सांगत आहे ना मला, ते चेन रूल वापरूनच सांगत आहे. तुम्ही काय केलं आता, लॉगचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड केला आणि मग नंतर तुम्ही परत टॅनचा काढत आहे. इफ यू वांट वी कॅन टेक this tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 as y function. Let y equals to tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this will be now log y. Getting? So log y its derivative will be, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसा येणार मग?
1 by y.
See, d by dx of fx. याला कसं केलं आपण? d by dy of log y. Getting? Into dy by dx. झालं चेन रूल. कळा लगा? Y variable was not there. We have taken y is a function of x, but log, this log is a function of y now. So log is a function of y and y is a function of x. So we cannot differentiate log with respect to variable x because log is a function of y and we differentiate log function with respect to y. Getting? So we have differentiated log y with respect to y, and again y was a function of x. Again we have differentiated y function y with respect to x. So here you can use the chain rule. Getting? So now y equals to tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. What is the derivative of y here? Chala, Suraj. Am I visible now? Here I am getting the message, I think. Am I visible, audible both?
Yes, ma'am.
Madhur has joined, Madam Madhur. Madhur Joshi has joined.
Yes. Madhu Joshi.
Ah. So like this, they are joining in between also.
Okay. What is the derivative of y? चलो बताओ जल्दी. 4 plus x by 2. Boys, tell me fast. Shiva,
Derivative of plus x by 2.
huh?
Sec square x. Sec square x.
Here x is there. What is the function?
X मुझे pi by 4 plus x by 2 था.
And what is the derivative of pi by 4 plus x by 2?
Pi by 4 constant.
That also we have to multiply now.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
1 by 2.
Sec square pi by 2 plus
1 by 2 into
1 by
z square pi by 4 plus x by 2. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
So here 1 by 2 into secant square pi by 4 plus x by 2. Log y. What is derivative of log y now? Just tell me derivative of log y. It's
1
what
by
is
y.
it?
1 by y.
1 by y.
1 by y.
So here
1
1 by y into 1 by 2. Now this derivative will write 1 by 2 into secant square. This y we have taken. So we'll resubstitute the value of y. Y is nothing but the function of this x only. So it is tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So here 1 upon tan means this we can write cot also. Cot pi by 4 plus x by 2 by 4 sorry, plus x by 2 whole thing divided by 2. So here we'll write 1 by 2. Any doubt? Is it visible properly? Is it clear? Okay. So here we have used chain rule also, and directly also you can write the derivative of the given function. Now the last question. I will take the last question. 70 root log of.
Ma'am, how did you get 1 by 4?
1 by 4 is not there. Where
1
is
by
the
y है वो 1 by y.
1 by
अरे
2
4
is
दिख
there.
रहा है.
अरे 1 by y है वो 4 नहीं 1 by y.
ये डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log y है 1 by y है not 4. Okay, I'll erase now this 17 question. Root log of sine of x square by 3 minus 1 and Shivaji Rao, tell me, what is the derivative? Are you there? Akshay Apte, tell me the derivative of this function. Akshay. Yes, Akshay. Atharva, what is the derivative of this function?
Yes, ma'am.
You heard, I think, only Atharva. That's why you're saying yes, ma'am. What is the derivative of this function?
Ma'am,
Now, Jaude, what is derivative of root x?
1/2 root x.
1/2 root.
Okay, so here root function is there. What is the first step then?
1/2
2
under root
root log
function.
sine.
Yes, 1/2 square root of log of sine of x square upon 3 minus 1. Now multiplied with derivative of log. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1/2 root log of sine of x square by 3 minus 1 into derivative of log of sine of x square by 3 minus 1. So what is derivative of log? Madhur, what is derivative of log?
Ma'am, 1 by x.
Huh? 1 by?
X.
Okay.
1 by x.
Log of sine is there. What is the derivative then?
1/2 sine.
1/2
Cosec x.
sine. Okay. So it will be cosec. Can we write cosec? Can we write cosec?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for this log of sine, its derivative will be 1/sine of angle. So 1/sine is reciprocal. Now sine is reciprocal of cosec. So we will write cosec of x square by 3 minus 1 whole thing divided by 2 root log of sine of x square by 3 minus 1 into what will be there? What is derivative of x square by 3? No, sorry. What is derivative of sine now? Into d by dx of sine
Cos
of
x.
x square.
Cos x square.
Yes,
Cos x square by 3 minus 1.
cos x square by 3 minus 1 into
2 by 3.
2x by 3.
2x
2x
by
by
3.
3. बस तेवढंच.
3. 2x by 3, ma'am.
येस येस 2 by 3 येणार पण x पण येणार ना त्याच्यामध्ये स्क्वेअर असल्यामुळे ठीक आहे सो
Yes, ma'am. See.
okay so on the next line you write the same into its derivative will be cos of x square by 3 minus 1 into 2x by 3. Now student, this cosec x square by 3 minus 1 into cos. So this you can write cot. Will you write cot of x square by 3 minus 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what will be there in the next step? Cot of x square by 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now this 2 in the denominator, in the numerator it will cancel. Can we cancel it?
Yes. ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So x by 3 will be there with this root. So here x upon 3 into root this function as it is log of sine of x square by 3 minus 1. So this will be the derivative of this function. Any doubt in this question, boys?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, thank you.
No, ma'am.
Parat ma'am?
Ma'am,
तसंच ठेवायचं का?
Which one? Root, na? It will.
हा.
this root of the function, derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash x will be there, no? So root will be as it is. Getting? Utkarsh,
Yes, ma'am.
getting beta? 1 upon 2 root we have written here.
Ma'am, where is the cos, ma'am? This cosec.
See.
Ah, cot. Okay, okay.
What I
Yes, ma'am.
want-
Understood, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, understood. Understood.
Okay, okay. 1 by sine cosec we have written first, and then cos has come now. So cos by sine I have taken cot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that's why we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
written here. And this same step, same term you have to write here. Huh? Okay. Any doubt now, boys? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.